What's going on, everybody? Today we are at the new Virgin Hotel. Gonna do a room tour of the Canyon Tower King in room 20437. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into this completely renovated new room, this is your closet, entryway, vanity space, so I will get to all of that momentarily. We'll start off to the right. Once you walk in, behind the door you do have a full body mirror, of course, so that you can check yourself out before you head to the strip to make sure you're fresh. You've actually got a door here that kind of isolates the main part of the room, so we'll get there momentarily. This is your closet, so you have two sides to the closet. The main side of the closet will be this side here. You have your hangers, you do have the ironing board, and then you have your iron below. Down here you do have a drawer, so if you need to store things, you do have some storage space. And then on this side of your closet you have an in-room safe to lock up your valuables, so if you need to do so, that is there for you. Now behind the closet you actually have a vanity space, so this is actually kind of cool. So you've got a desk here, so for those of you who need to glamify yourself, you do have a seat in a little area. And you've got a mirror that is folded, so you've got like a trifold mirror, which is very cool. I'm sure it's all about them angles for certain people. And you have great lighting, so lighting will not be an issue, so that is pretty cool. And then you also below do have a USB and standard outlet charging ports, so very convenient if you need to charge your phone while you're flexing on social media and getting ready. The all-in-one special. In the bathroom, it does seem like a small, narrow bathroom, but this is your bathroom. You come in, you've got a nice big backlit mirror. You have your single vanity sink with the clean, updated countertops. This as well has a outlet charging port for USB and standard charging in the mirror. So that might be a first. I'm not sure that I've seen that. It's pretty cool. And if you want to control the lighting, there are some switches. So you have your overhead and your vanity, so you can either have all the lights on or you can dim the lighting. So as I back out of the bathroom, I'll show you guys how small it feels, but you've got your toilet. And then this is your walk-in shower. So you definitely can tell it's been updated, it's clean. While we've got a little stand table in here with your body wash and shampoo. Maybe that's just something new, but it is a clean, nice, good size walk-in shower. You've got a very big shower head, then you've got the extendable shower head as well. So it is a nice walk-in shower, very clean. Just the bathroom feels a tad bit, a little small, but nothing that's too bad. So that is your bathroom. And as I said, when I step out, I'll just give a quick view. So that's pretty much your bathroom space. It's a little narrow, but it is nice. We'll give them kudos for that. So let's head on over into the main part of the room. As I said, there's a door, so if you really wanted to isolate this, I guess if you're getting ready or whatever, you could have your own space out here with the door closed, but I'm almost certain most people won't. So making your way into the main part of the room, you do have a nice, good space room here. So we'll start on this side. Got a little table here, so if you need to store things, or if you want to like dine, you have a little table where you could dine. As you see, you do have a nice couch, semi-sectional couch. It's not a pull-out sleeper. It's not a pull-out sleeper sofa. So, but it is a firm couch. And then this is your king-size bed, so it does look nice. Over here by the bedding, you actually have some switches so that you can actually control the lighting bedside. So if you want to dim the lights or cut them all off, you can. You also have standard and USB charging bedside, so that's cool. And then here you have some reading lamps. So for all of you, or those of you who need to read or need some extra lighting bedside, you have a lamp for you. Across is your entertainment space. So this is your flat screen TV, and you have an ice bucket. I don't see any cups. Let's see, could be in the bucket, but I don't think that's that big of a deal. But yeah, you do have a nice bucket. And this is your mini bar as well. So we all heard the talks of the pricing being street pricing, because they said they don't want any outside food in. So there's the menu. I'll pause quickly, put that up there so you can see what the pricing is. And then down below, this is your mini fridge. So if you want to get some drinks, you can just grab them off the center bar. It'll charge your card used at check-in, and the pricing as you saw is on the screen. Got a nice little lamp here. It's pretty cool. Goes with the flow of the room. And before we get to the view, I'll just quickly get to the other side of the bed. As you see here, you have another table or bedside table, so that's cool. You do have a Bluetooth speaker, so that's really convenient. And this actually comes with a wireless charging dock, so that is pretty cool because a lot of us are using wireless devices. And then you have the same thing on this side. It's more difficult on that side to get over there, but you do have the lights to control the bedding, and I think the bed got in the way of that, but you control the lighting from the room. And this is your view. Such a beautiful view of the top of the building. So wouldn't call this a strip view or anything. This is just me being on the 4th floor and unfortunately seem to have not gotten the best view. But if you wanted to know what the top of Virgin Hotel looks like, at least from this part, you can see all the vents and fans and see that everything is working perfectly fine. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.